Okay, lesson 2 in Access is just basically setting up a new database with a new table. So when you open Access, you want to come across here where it says blank desktop database. Click on it one time. We're going to change the file name. We'll just call it lesson 2. Go to your browse button, which is this folder here on the end. Click on it. And then I'm going to save this to a folder on my desktop that I created, lesson 2. And we'll just leave it called lesson 2. Hit OK. Hit create. Alright, now going through adding your fields, you just hit the drop arrow, click to add. We'll do number, we'll call it age, and notice it's already highlighted, so you can just immediately start typing. Come across to the next one, click to add short text. We'll say first name, click to add short text, and we'll say last name. Alright, you want to come down here where it says age. Okay, since it's numbered, it automatically puts in a 0 as a placeholder. And over here on new, underneath ID is an auto number, which means it's automatically going to number everything for you. You can't go in and put any text within that cell. So you want to come across the age, and we'll just put 12, first name, we'll say he's Joe, hit the tab key, get to the next cell, Bob, hit tab, down to the next stage, 16, first name, John, remember hit tab, Doe. Alright, okay, after you go through, and of course you'd have more information than this, but you want to save your table as a different name. So you right click right here on this tab, right click, go to save. We're going to call it ages, hit OK, and you'll notice it changes the name here and here. You can't double click to change it like you can in Excel. Alright, now if you want to close the table, you can go to close. It closes the table, everything's kind of grayed out. You want to reopen it, you just double click it again. If you want to add a second table, you come up to create, go to table, and immediately this one's named table 1 since you renamed it a while ago, so it just takes over a new name. And we'll go save, and we'll just call this extra. Hit OK. And if you wanted to close both of them at the same time, right click on the tabs, so just right click on either one of them, go to close all, click on that, and then you'll notice that you have both of these and you can open them by just double clicking. Okay, just hit save up top, go to file. If you wanted to save it as a different copy, go to save as, so save database as, save as right here, hit yes if it says all open objects must be closed, and then we'll just call this student student data, and we'll put it in the same lesson 2 folder on the desktop. Okay, you're gonna see this a lot in Access. Just anytime it says enable content, just click on that and then clear that out. Alright, now if you want to close it, go to file close, it'll close the database, and then if you want to open from within Access, just go file open, and then all your recent databases will show up over here on the right. So if we want student data, we'll click on it and it brings it back up.